The way you and I send and receive money is about to change. PayShap is South Africa's first interbank real-time digital payments service that will allow South African bank account holders to easily pay and receive money between participating banks without sharing bank account details. Think about that. It's easy, it's safe, and it is instant. And here to tell us more about the brand new PayShap is Dayalen Governor, the Managing Executive for Solution Innovation at Nedbank. This is an innovation. Welcome to the show. Thank you so much for joining us. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very well, thanks. And morning, Graham.
Bright and early to be taking on such a momentous piece of information, but this is big. PayShap, what is it? How does it work exactly? Because this feels like a bit of a click, an aha moment.
Yeah, it absolutely is. And we're hugely excited to bring this to South Africans. And essentially, PayShap is South Africa's first low-value interbank real-time digital payment service. And as you've already said, it will introduce an easy and safe way for the banked as well as unbanked customers to make low-value, initially up to 3,000 Rand payments to one another in real time, irrespective of where they bank. So essentially, a customer can send money to family or friends or pay for goods and services at small merchants instantly with just a mobile phone, irrespective of where they bank.
If you think of that in the South African context, that is massive. That is a big shift here. But let's break it down into the basics. How does this differ, say, from an EFT, what we're used to? What would typify the move forward here?
Unlike other payment options, PayShap payments can be made with only using the recipient's cell phone number, which we refer to as a proxy or sharp ID. You therefore don't need to share your bank account details with anyone to effect a payment. PayShap also offers instant interbank transfers. This means where both parties bank with different banks, money is reflected in the recipient's bank account in real time. And that's absolutely phenomenal.
Your notion has been to develop and grow and educate your market. And I think moving away from cash to digital is a big step. How is this a part of that journey for you, about helping people make better money choices, about educating and empowering the majority of South Africans out there? What makes this so special? And you can speak from the heart here.
Yeah, absolutely. As Nedbank, our purpose is to be financial experts who do good. And we want to make sure that we can innovate and provide these quick, simple to use, efficient, and easy to understand digital solutions. So once again, we're really excited to bring PayShap, and we absolutely believe this is going to transform the way people use money, the way people pay for goods and services. It's going to be really incredible in terms of betterment of individuals' lives.
I'm just thinking of all the hustles that are going to become legit through a process like this. What this will mean to a small business owner being able to have access to these kind of tools. You talk about the power of being able to transfer money to a family member instantly. All of that is great, but I can just see this in that notion of educating and empowering. This is a fundamental step forward. That being said, we need everyone involved if it's going to work. Is it across all banks? How are you getting this right?
PayShap, firstly, is accessible to all South Africans. If you already have a South African bank account, then you can simply access this through your digital banking channels. A consumer that doesn't have a bank account can simply open up a Nedbank bank account or other bank account easily, seamlessly, over mobile, and you can start using PayShap immediately. At this point in time, the participating banks are Nedbank, Absa, FNB, and Standard Bank, with more banks participating and coming in future months.
Brilliant, because I think they understand this is where we are all together. And it kind of feels like the country's moving through another gateway together. Very positive, new, I think, era of empowerment just with where we are in the world. I'd like you to reiterate just one more time, how do we get access? How do we make sure we can plug into this digital resource?
I think the first thing you need to do as a consumer is log into your Nedbank Money app. You navigate to profile settings. You basically select and create your Sharp ID. And your Sharp ID is essentially your mobile number. And that's done in a few easy steps. Once you've created your Sharp ID, which is your cell phone number and your bank, you can essentially start transacting. So you can receive money immediately. And to make a payment is just as easy. You simply log into the Nedbank Money app. You navigate to single payments where you enter the recipient's details. You select PayShap, enter the recipient's PayShap ID, the amount, you follow a few easy prompts, and you click, you're done. And the money is seamlessly sent within a few seconds into the recipient's bank account. And it's the same for you.
Wow.
To you to receive money is just as easy. Provide your PayShap ID and you'll receive money immediately.
And of course, with the surety of this being on the shoulders of one of the biggest financial institutions in the country, who have now yet again proven, and I talk about speaking from the heart, that your heart is very much in the right place, and that's with the South African people. Not just those living at the top, on that top rung, but those that are making up what this country needs, that ecosystem. You guys are playing such a big role, and this is a major step in the right direction. So congratulations. Innovation indeed, my friend. Well done.
No, thank you so much, Graham. And once again, we're just truly excited to bring this to South Africans, and we can't wait to really make a difference in their lives. So we would encourage everybody to start leveraging and utilizing their Sharp IDs and PayShap. And once again, Nedbank is really proud to bring this to South Africans.
Yeah, and you should be. Congratulations and well done. Major milestone achieved. And if you're a Nedbank client, you can visit nedbank.co.za to get all the information you need on how to register for PayShap and to begin making payments. And if you hold an account with a different bank, you can visit payshap.co.za to get that same information and access.